Hey there, thanks for stopping and taking a look at my channel. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it.
Okay, I'm so excited today because I get to draw my favorite YouTube artists as Jenny and Tony of Lido Loca. I'm a cruiser. I love to cruise. Can't do it now. Oh well. So I'm going to draw a picture of them while I watch their regular videos. I just love to do this. They're wonderful. They'll give you so much information about cruising, and they're a great couple. They're just so normal. I love them. So without further ado, let's get this started. I'm going to start drawing.
Here we go. Looks like I'm starting out with Jenny. I have her little bun going across the top. Had a little side sweep of her hair coming down on the side. And yeah, it looks like it's coming along, doesn't it? I'm doing the voiceover after I draw it because seriously, it's very difficult for me to talk and be comprehensive, so that anybody can understand me. But she had beautiful lips on in this video. I loved her makeup. So here we go. We're just going to keep working on it. When I'm drawing with a Conti crayon. It's drawing on 80-pound paper. And I'm basically just looking for the dark spots. I'm trying not to concentrate on features, Concentrating on features usually gets me. But as I draw Jenny here, I need to tell you about these two. They are my favorite YouTube artists. I watch them regularly. Tony is the man. He drops a video every day around noon, and I'm there to watch it pretty much, unless now that I'm trying to become a YouTuber, I'm not able to get in there. I have so much to learn. This second video that I'm creating, I'm using Premiere Pro for the first time, trying to put all these pieces together. I don't know. It's such a learning curve for me to jump over. Anyway, looks like I've got her face going pretty well. Yeah, my little Conti crayon is a square, rectangular shaped stick. It doesn't really have any points on it. To make lines, sometimes I'll drop it on the side of the stick. Big shading areas, I'll put a mark down, and then I'll use my pinky finger to smudge it around to get shadows where I want them and dark spots. Anyway, we're not cruising anymore right now, but I still watch their videos. They're pretty wonderful. It's really fun to draw people while they're moving for me. This is practice. I practice quite a bit, but I thought, I know that I have had friends that just love to watch me draw, not even be drawn. They just want to watch what I'm doing. So I thought maybe there might be others that like to watch me draw. So I'm going to start practicing with a video camera on. Then I have to learn how to use the software in order to get those videos all together into one video. I'm learning so much. It's pretty fun, actually. Yeah, I'm I'm voicing over this video and I noticed that my hair is a mess. Oh my goodness. I can't wait until the beauty salon's open again. No big deal. We've all got the same challenges, I'm sure. My goodness. I think maybe I'm taking too much time on Jenny. I like to do faster than this. But it seems like when I feel like I know Jenny and Tony from watching them. And we both know I don't. I mean, I've never met them. Jenny is my travel agent. She's taking care of my cruises right now, so I've talked to her on... No, I haven't talked to her on the phone. I've only had emails with her. Fun. Again, I just feel like I know them because I watch all their videos. And so when I know somebody, I usually... I don't draw them as well when I'm familiar with their faces. I just, I don't know, maybe I freeze up. But does anybody else have that problem? When you know somebody, you can't draw them as well? When it's a complete stranger, it's like my hand just flows and it goes. But I know these are complete strangers I'm looking at. But I feel like I know them again. It's okay, though. I think Jenny came out pretty well. Mr. Tony. Get those glasses in there, yeah? Is he taking... Ah, there we go. It's a little bit of a challenge because... and that's what I like about it, by the way, is that the challenge comes when people hold their head still. Okay, yes, it's a little bit difficult to draw somebody, but when they're bobbing their heads back and forth, turning their heads constantly, I have to pick one head position and watch them, so when their head is turned that position, catch the little pieces. But when they turn their head back, I got to remember not to draw that. So it's a constant, just, it looks like I'm bobbing my head, but that's because it's in time lapse. Just bobbing my head because I'm looking. Tony turns and looks at Jenny, then he looks at his camera, then he looks at Jenny. Ah, he's got a mustache. Check it out. Oh, getting his nose in there. Looks like I'm going to start shading. I stick that little pinky finger up there and start rubbing on my lines and draw some of that color up into the face. Little pinky action going on there. Ah, he's got a round forehead now instead of a flat one. Cool. Get that eye in there too. I've got a floating head. Ah, there you go. Give me a neck and some shoulders. Finish it up with some Well, let's start working on the mouth. Get that little pinky up there and spread it out. Got a mustache and part of his beard. Tony's got a little gray going on there. I think he's going to end up being a darker haired younger man, because my brown crayon doesn't draw gray very well. He got his under his lip. Looking good, Mr. Tony.
Well, we finished Jenny and Tony, and I'm okay with it. Some things I like, sometimes some things I don't, so we'll just take it as it comes, and it is practice after all. Jenny and Tony, La Lido Loca, they're good to go.